Okay guys, so now it's time for some testing of this magazine and frontal part for reliability and durability. And what we're gonna do today, we will shoot 2 full mags, so you can see in a non-stop video how everything works. Then we're gonna try to crash test dropping the crossbow. We'll throw details on a rigid surface, and then finally we're gonna do a bush test. So kind of try to imitate you walking with a crossbow through the, through the leaves, through the bush, and impacting with vegetation. That's pretty much it. Let's start. So we're gonna shoot 2 times 8 bolts, and let's load it first. So I'm preparing the frontal part. Sorry, and let's load all 8 bolts here. So release locker and move this one. So now you can see green dots. You're good to shoot. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna reload it a few times with nose up, a few times with nose down, and try to do something weird. So nose up, first shoot, nose up, next, so nose down, nose down, harder. So now let's bend it aside, for example. We'll see nothing happens. So okay, so normal position, horizontal position, and semi-final bolt, final bolt. Not working. Okay, now we shoot all 8 bolts. So I'm here. Now camera stop. Let's remove the bolts from the range. Okay, and now let's load a couple more. We can use the same. Okay, so let's again load. Then we're gonna kind of do some testing how it behaves if we rotate it, shake it. So let's see. So again, solid bolt here, front locker. So okay, so I'll show you how it's kind of stable. So nothing jumps out. Let's shoot it a few times, and okay, and maybe 2 times. Okay, and let's see. It's fine. So indeed, if you shake it very much, you can those bolts can slightly go out, but it's always go back. So let's shoot more. kind of a bit weird position. So you see that it's locked well, and last bolt here. So you see everything is good. So yeah, I think we kind of demonstrated now that everything is stable. You can shoot, but indeed when you shoot, always check the bolt position anyway, because before any shot, anytime I check by peripheral vision that bolt is here. So I'm not looking like that, but you always need to take a look that bolt is here, bolt is enough to the back, so it should be there, because the space here for wings is tight enough and it always falls in predicted position. So now test. Let's few times just drop it on the floor. Just I'm not sure if it's a good idea to repeat, but I have here just a garbage bag, so it's not becoming kind of dirty. And let's drop it again. So can you come here? So let's see. Okay, so here it's, you see there is an impact, and as you see the magazine is still alive. I hope the crossbow as well. And just to show you that there is nothing below the bag, it's just a grass. So we're trying to mimic this situation, but I don't want this to be dirty. I dropped it a few times on the grass, so then I spent a lot of time to make it clean. And that's kind of, I would say that's a kind of a maximum impact you should allow, because I'm not sure what's gonna happen with the crossbow if you drop it on the side. So if you can drop it backward, it's probably maximum impact you can afford. And then I have those two items separately dismounted. Those have kind of small defects here, that's why they will be punished today. So this is a firm surface, so let's kind of drop them several times and see what happened. So dirty because it's been thrown all the day today, but everything is functional. And let's do one more. So this is crossbow which we just thrown. So let's load it. Let's see that it's functional, because I guess some might argue that oh, you throwed it, but then it's kind of never shoot after that. So let's do some shooting. So as you see, everything is working. So I mean, yeah, definitely you can destroy it. Probably if you impact it with hammer, it will be destroyed. There are some weak places where these thin places, so let me know if you want those arcs to be maybe smaller and here the material to be a bit thicker. That's what my test showed, that this frontal part could be here. Everything is solid. This part is very solid. I try to break it very hard by brick even. So this part is sitting very firmly here. That's a very thick plastic layer here. So yeah, let me know if you see any any defects in you know, any defects in constructions which you would like to kind of make stronger. But by this I just wanted to show you that it's a strong enough construction that you can put on your crossbow, and probably in a lot of situations it's enough durable. Okay, that will be a funny part, so it's kind of fifth attempt to film because we were laughing. So this is gonna be a bush test for those who kind of go through the forest and might have concerns that kind of something can, you know, unlock or kind of get stuck. So okay, let's take a look. So everything is fine. You see some leaf is here, but apart of that, everything in places. So kind of okay. So now, after some crawling, I load it, and I shoot. And then again, I'm crawling like that, like that, like that. Okay. So now, time to shoot again. Again, crawling. So what could be those motions like this, like that, probably like that. I don't know. And let's shoot one more. So we'll see. All good. And yeah, you can see nothing is displaced. So arrows are in place, locked by hook. So anyway, if something gets up, it still goes down. So yeah. Okay guys, so thank you for watching this demonstration video. We hope to get your feedback, because your interest in our products and your feedback is actually driving this project both emotionally and financially. So yeah, subscribe for our channel and get our latest news. Thank you.